Good morning students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 1 nutrition in plant revision of book exercise part 3. So let's start dear students. H section of this exercise, answer the following questions in detail. Question number first, define photosynthesis, explain how a green plant gets the carbon dioxide, water and energy it needs for photosynthesis to take place. Dear student, the process by which green plants convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called, dear students, photosynthesis. Water is observed by the roots and carbon dioxide is taken in by the tiny opening on the undersurface of the leaf, that is called, dear student, stomata. The energy is obtained in the form of a sunlight captured by the chlorophyll. Now come to the second question, dear student. Describe an experiment to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Dear students, take a potted plant and keep it in a dark room for 2-3 days so that all the starch present in its leaf is used up. Now the dear student, next step, select a leaf and cover it with a black strip paper on both sides. Now the dear students, now keep the potted plant in the sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. Next step, dear student, pluck the leaf and test it for the presence of starch by pouring iodine after the bleaching it using alcohol. Now the dear students, the leaf part not covered with the black strip shows blue-black color with iodine solution, while the part which is not part covered with the blue-black strip does not show the blue-black coloration. This is due to the reason that the leaf part covered with the black strip do not receive the sunlight and thus cannot prepare food, while the leaf part not covered with the black paper strip receives sunlight and thus can prepare food. This food is stored in the leaf in the form of a starch which gives blue-black color with iodine. This shows that light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Now the dear students, now come to the third question, dear students. What are parasitic plant? Question mark. Explain the two types of parasitic plants with example. Dear students, parasitic plants are the plants that completely or partially depend on the other plants for the food. A partial parasite has a green leaves and can prepare its own food, but its root penetrate the host tree to get water and minerals. For example of mistletoe, dear students, a complete parasite, dear students, does not a complete parasite does not have a green leaves or the chlorophyll. It has a special sucking root-like structure called haustoria. This helps to drive its food from the host plant, for example of cuscuta. Now the dear students, come to the question number 4th. What are saprophytic plant? Question mark. Give example and explain how these plants get nutrition. Dear students, the plant which live on the dead and the decay plant and animal organic matter and derive food from these are called saprophyte or the saprotrophs. They can not make their own food. They produce certain digestive juice that can convert the complex and the solid dead and decaying organic matter into a simpler liquid forms and thus the absorb nutrients from it. For example, Indian pipe and coral root. Now dear students, come to the 4th question. What are saprophytic plants? Question marks. Give example and explain how these plants get their nutrition. Now the dear students, dear students, hope you understood the answer of this question. Now come to the 5th, dear student. Explain the insectivorous mode of nutrition in any two plants. Dear students, the leaf of a pitcher plants, dear students, are modified into a jug or the pitcher shaped trap to capture insect. The tip of a leaf is modified into a colorful lid that can open or close the mouth of a pitcher. The inner wall of the pitcher have downward directing hair-like structure to entangle the trapped insect. A fluid containing many digestive juice is present at the bottom of the pitcher plant's pitcher. These digestive juice digest the protein present in the body of the insect. The leaf of a Venus trap, fly trap are modified into a trap insect. The entire leaf are modified into a two parts such that is midrib from a hinge. These leaves have a short stiffs, dear students, hair-like projection at the edges. When an insect sit on the edge of the and touch the hair of a leaf, and the leaf snaps shut, trapping the insect inside. The trapped insect is then killed and the digest. So dear student, in this way you have to write the answer. Now dear students, come to the I section. Out of the box, Veena look a potted plant and coated both sides of few leaves with Vaseline. She kept the plant in a sunny place for 2 days. She tested coated leaves for starch. What result do you think she will get and why? Dear student, the leaves will not show a blue-black color while iodine is added, which is show that the absence of starch. The leaves will not photosynthesize as they are unable to take in carbon dioxide because the stomata of the leaves are covered with a Vaseline. Now dear student, come to the second question. We cook food using heat as a source of a light. Is it correct to say that we are autotrophs? Question mark. Dear students, no, human being cannot be called autotrophs as they are not photosynthesize. Now come to the dear students third. What would happens if the all plant stops making food by photosynthesis? Dear students, life would not be able to exist on the earth if the plant stop making food by the photosynthesis. Now the J section, dear student, picture talks. Label the diagram and answer the question that follow. First question, what is the function of the structure in the diagram? Question mark, dear students. Dear students, second question, where on the leaves are these structure found? So dear students, first is answer of the first, they help in the exchange of gases. Dear students, each stomata, dear students, first we have to write each stomata is covered by the bean-shaped cells that is called guard cells that control the opening and closing of stomata. So dear students, next dear students, they help in exchange the gases. B student, dear student, they are seen on the lower surface of the leaf. Where the leaf of these these structure found? So dear students, they are seen on the lower surface of the leaf. So dear students, hope you understood H, I and J part of this exercise. Thank you student. Stay home, be safe.